Okay, so today we're going to do 4 rounds of hormetic stress or energy boosting breath work. We are going to blow off a lot of CO2 and then we're going to equalize it with the breath holds. We'll do 2 1-minute breath holds and 2 90-second breath holds. The breath holds will help us to equalize our CO2 levels, and the low oxygen tension will help boost EPO production from our kidneys, and this will produce more blood cells, and with the CO2 levels will give us better oxygen to our cells, therefore boosting our energy. Now you can do this lying down or sitting down, it's up to you, completely up to you. Just make yourself comfortable, but also keep your back straight. We want to breathe in and out through the diaphragm, and you can increase the intensity by breathing in and out through the mouth, but I also want to produce nitric oxide, so today I want you to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. So it should look something like this. So you use your posture to expand your diaphragm when you breathe in. This should be at 360 degrees, okay? And then relax the air out, just like that, okay? So we're going to do 4 rounds of activation and 4 breath holds. Getting ready now. Let's go. Ease yourself into it in the first round. Keep going. The good, out with the bad. Almost there, keep going. Just 10 seconds to go. Let's give it everything you have. Okay, take a deep breath in and hold, then release. 60 seconds breath hold from now. Just relax. Let the body do what it needs to do. 30 seconds to go. Just feel your blood flowing through your body. Just 10 seconds to go. Now deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Relax the air out as we get ready for the next round. Round 2, here we go. Now we can up the intensity in this round, nice and warm. So let's make it a little bit faster. Make it circular. Breathe in and out, in, out. "30 seconds to go." Seconds to go. Let's give it everything you have. Okay, last breath. Nice deep breath, and hold and relax and hold for 60 seconds. Just let the body do what it needs to do. Relax and enjoy the process. 30 seconds to go. You're almost there. Ten seconds to go. Big deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. And relax. We're getting ready for round number 3. Here we go. Go deeper and faster this time. Give it everything you've got. "30 seconds. Seconds to go. Give it everything you have. Almost there. Take a deep breath in and hold. Relax the air out and hold for 90 seconds. Just let your body do what it needs to do. Relax. If you need to breathe before I tell you to, that's okay. Just relax. You're almost there. 30 seconds to go. 15 seconds to go. Okay, getting ready now. Now take a deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Almost there. As we relax the air out this time, we're going to go straight into round 4. Straight into round 4. Let's go. This is the last round. Give it everything you have. Go deeper and faster this round. Seconds to go. Almost there. 10 seconds, give it everything you have. Almost there. Take the last big deep breath and relax the air out and hold for 90 seconds. Feel a deep relaxation come over you. Feel your blood circulating through your body. If your body is changing temperature, that's okay. Just let the body do what it needs to do. You are almost there. 30 seconds. If you need to breathe before we stop, that's fine. "15 seconds to go. Almost there. Now deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Now relax the air out. Just relax. Let your body do what it needs to do. I hope you have a great day and make it a day that means something.